YouTube, your ticket to success. Imagine a world where your creativity, your ideas, and your passion can reach millions of people. That's the power of YouTube. It's not just a platform, it's a gateway to endless possibilities. More views and subscribers on YouTube? That's a big deal. Each new subscriber is a person who believes in your content, who finds value in what you create. It's a validation of your hard work and creativity. It means more people see your content. Your message, your story, your unique perspective is being shared with a wider audience. It's an opportunity to influence, to inspire, and to make a difference. More people engage with your ideas. Comments, likes, and shares are not just numbers. They are interactions, conversations, and connections. They are proof that your content resonates with people. More people join your community. A thriving community is the heart of any successful YouTube channel. It's a place where people come together to share their thoughts, support each other, and grow together. This can lead to amazing opportunities. Recognition, awards, and even business deals can come your way. Your YouTube channel can open doors you never imagined. Think brand deals, collaborations, and even a career in entertainment. Brands are always looking for influencers to partner with, and your channel could be the perfect fit. Collaborations with other creators can also help you reach new audiences. It all starts with a single view. That first view can snowball into thousands, even millions. Every big YouTuber started with just one view, one subscriber, one piece of content. YouTube is a powerful platform. It's a place where anyone can share their passion, their knowledge, and their creativity with the world. The diversity of content is what makes YouTube so special. It's a place to share your passion with the world. Whether you're into vlogging, gaming, cooking, or teaching, there's a space for you on YouTube. Your passion can find its audience here. Whether you love gaming, cooking, or teaching, there's an audience for you. People are always looking for content that entertains, educates, and inspires them. Your unique voice can be that source of inspiration. But getting noticed requires hard work and smart strategies. It's not just about uploading videos, it's about creating content that stands out, optimizing your titles and descriptions, and engaging with your audience. Are you ready to boost your channel? Let's go. With dedication, creativity, and the right approach, you can turn your YouTube channel into a thriving community and a successful venture. The journey starts now. Content is king, quality over quantity. In the world of content creation, this phrase holds immense significance. It's not just about churning out videos or posts, it's about making sure each piece of content you produce is of the highest quality. This is what sets you apart from the rest. High-quality content can captivate your audience, keep them engaged, and make them come back for more. It's the difference between a fleeting viewer and a loyal subscriber. Here's the truth: content is everything. The foundation of any successful channel or platform is the content you create. It's the heart and soul of your brand. Without compelling content, even the best marketing strategies will fall flat. Think about the creators you admire. What draws you to their videos? It's likely the quality, the effort, and the passion they put into their work. If your videos are boring or poorly made, people won't watch. It's as simple as that. In today's fast-paced digital world, viewers have countless options at their fingertips. If your content doesn't grab their attention within the first few seconds, they'll move on to something else. Poor audio, shaky camera work, and lackluster editing can all contribute to a negative viewing experience. Focus on creating high-quality content that people actually want to see. Invest in good equipment, learn the basics of lighting and sound, and take the time to edit your videos properly. Remember, quality doesn't necessarily mean expensive. It's about making the most of what you have and continuously improving your skills. What are you passionate about? Passion is contagious. When you talk about something you love, it shows. Your enthusiasm can draw people in and make them excited about your content. Think about the topics that light you up and consider how you can share that passion with your audience. What do you know a lot about? Your expertise is your strength. Sharing your knowledge can position you as an authority in your niche. People come to YouTube and other platforms to learn, be entertained, and find solutions to their problems. If you can provide valuable information, you'll build trust and credibility with your audience. Let that guide your content creation. Think about your audience. Who are they? What are their interests and pain points? Understanding your audience is key to creating content that resonates with them. Use analytics and feedback to get a clearer picture of who your viewers are and what they want to see. Who are you trying to reach? Defining your target audience helps you tailor your content to meet their needs and preferences. It's not about trying to please everyone, but about connecting deeply with a specific group of people. What do they want to see? Engage with your audience, ask for their feedback, read their comments, and pay attention to their suggestions. This interaction can provide valuable insights into what kind of content they enjoy and find useful. When you create content that resonates with your target audience, they'll keep coming back for more. Building a loyal audience takes time and effort, but it's worth it. Consistency, quality, and engagement are the pillars of a successful content strategy. Remember, it's not about how many videos you post, it's about the value you provide in each one. A single high-quality video can have a greater impact than multiple low-quality ones. Focus on delivering value, whether it's through education, entertainment, or inspiration. It's about the value you provide in each one. Your audience will appreciate the effort you put into creating content that is thoughtful, well-produced, and genuinely helpful. Quality over quantity should be your guiding principle in every piece of content you create. SEO secrets, get discovered. SEO stands for search engine optimization. It's how YouTube understands what your videos are about. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps YouTube recommend your videos to the right people. Think about what people might type into the search bar when looking for your content. Use those keywords. For example, if you're making a video about baking a chocolate cake, use keywords like chocolate cake recipe, easy baking, and delicious dessert. Thumbnails. Your first impression matters. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see when they find your video. It's the visual representation of your content and often the deciding factor in whether someone will click to watch. It's like the cover of a book. Just as a book cover can entice a reader to pick it up, a well-designed thumbnail can draw viewers to your video. It needs to be eye-catching and relevant to your content. A thumbnail that stands out in a sea of videos can significantly increase your click-through rate. Use bright colors, bold text, and an intriguing image that makes people want to click. The combination of these elements can create a compelling visual that piques curiosity. Don't underestimate the power of a good thumbnail. It's a small image, but it has a big impact on your video's success. It can make the difference between someone clicking on your video or scrolling past it. A thumbnail that captures attention can turn a casual browser into a viewer. Spend some time creating a thumbnail that accurately represents your content and grabs attention. Think about what makes your video unique and how you can convey that in a single image. Start by brainstorming ideas and sketching them out. Consider different layouts, colors, and images that best represent your video. Use graphic design software to bring your ideas to life. Experiment with different fonts, colors, and images until you find the perfect combination. Get feedback from others. Sometimes a fresh pair of eyes can spot something you missed or suggest improvements. Make final adjustments and ensure your thumbnail looks good at different sizes. Remember, it will appear small in search results, so clarity is key. Upload your thumbnail and see how it performs. Monitor your video's analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. A great thumbnail can lead to more views, more engagement, and ultimately, more success for your channel. So invest the time and effort to make it the best it can be. Section 5. Titles that pop, grab attention instantly. Your video title is just as important as your thumbnail. It's what appears next to your thumbnail in search results. Keep your title short, catchy, and to the point. Use keywords that people are likely to search for. Think of your title as a headline. It needs to grab attention and make people curious about your video. A strong title can significantly increase your click-through rate and boost your views. Section 6. Social media power. Spread the word. Don't keep your videos a secret. Share them on your other social media platforms. Tell your friends, family, and followers about your channel. Engage with your audience in the comments, respond to questions, and start conversations. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your YouTube channel. Use it to connect with potential viewers, share snippets of your videos, and announce new uploads. The more you promote your channel, the more people will find it. Section 7. Collaboration Nation. Partner up. Connect with other YouTubers in your niche. Collaborate on videos to reach new audiences. Cross-promote each other's channels. Support other creators and build relationships. Collaboration is a win-win situation. You get to tap into another creator's audience and they get to tap into yours. It's a great way to grow your channel, make new friends, and create even more amazing content. Section 8. Consistency is key, never give up. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay consistent with your uploads. Keep creating high-quality content. Engage with your audience. The more you put yourself out there, the more likely you are to find success. Remember, every big YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. It's all about putting in the work and never giving up on your passion. Section 9. Your YouTube journey begins now. So, you're ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level? Awesome! Remember, it's all about creating awesome content, optimizing it for search, and promoting it like crazy. Be yourself, be passionate, and most importantly, have fun. The world is waiting to see what you've got. Get out there, create something amazing, and share it with the world.